We, at Mr. Money Press, consider it an honor to have you as a member. With each video we release, you can anticipate learning fresh advice regarding the most recent reviews and techniques for making money online. Here, we regularly research the best performers from around the world. These span a wide range of topics, such as technology, investment, stocks, Bitcoin, and many more. In this video, we'll show you how to earn money online, the lazy way. Hello everyone, we're back. We have some exciting news to share with you. You found this YouTube video because you're looking for ways to make money online while being lazy, right? There are numerous ways to make money online. If you've watched our previous videos, you'll know what value ladder, lead magnet, and traffic are. Now, we'll share some tips on how to make money while being lazy, so you can start creating an account, making a video, or making your first online money. Let us begin with our first method, Udemy.com. You can create a mini course on Udemy.com. This could even be similar to your low-ticket offer on the value ladder. Perhaps you'd like to sell a course for $20. But here's the thing, you really want to focus on building your list, driving traffic, and funneling people from these platforms into your funnel so they can get to know you, and you can move them up the value ladder and increase their customer value over time. All you have to do here is create an account and begin creating your own course to sell to your audience. If you really want to level up and create a traffic source that just fuels the passive income machine and the value ladder, you should definitely get on a platform like YouTube, where you can leverage SEO traffic. To get started, it's a free website. Making a lot of money in AdSense within a month on top of your other income streams is insane. YouTube is a platform that will compensate you for creating content for them. Facebook, on the other hand, does not. That is not something Instagram does. That is not something LinkedIn does. So, when considering where you want to be present and dominate first on social media, keep in mind that a YouTube channel will take time. Obviously, it will require time investment, but the end result will be higher quality traffic to your lead magnet and value ladder. It is video marketing because people are getting to know you through the video. As a result, you're establishing a connection with viewers you've never met before because they're watching your video and learning from you. Perhaps it's a YouTube tutorial you're giving. Perhaps it's a log and a piece of entertainment. Perhaps you're making a reaction video or something else as a YouTuber. It's great to connect with your viewers because you get to know their personalities, and all of that adds up to revenue and profits in your pocket because the goal of a YouTube video is to drive people to your lead magnet. So, if you really nailed it, you really attract a large audience with your videos, and you can easily earn $1,000 per day. YouTube is the best place to earn a passive income while watching and creating videos you enjoy. YouTube is a great place to find other YouTubers and collaborate to grow your audience. Make sure to create content that is enjoyable to watch, and keep in mind that many children watch YouTube, so be mindful of what you do in your content. If other famous YouTubers find you attractive and creative when creating content, there's a chance they'll invite you to collaborate, and grow each other's audiences. Remember that the more viewers you have on YouTube, the more potential income you will earn. You can also post tutorials or coaching about affiliate marketing on YouTube. You can create a gaming channel and use it to enjoy playing while also creating content to earn potential income and views. You can do a lot on the YouTube platform, including posting videos about what you know, what you want, and how-tos. So the next step is to move up the value ladder and create either a low-ticket or a mid-ticket offer. Many people inquired about affiliate marketing after witnessing others earning 90% of their income from affiliate products or affiliate commissions. Instead of repeatedly teaching this to people, why not use this opportunity to create a mini course about affiliate marketing? You can then charge nearly $200 for that affiliate marketing course. It doesn't have to be a super detailed course, simply explain how you did it, how someone can get started, how to choose a product, or how to promote. Within 3 to 6 months, you can expect to make 20 or more sales. That is completely insane. It was your first attempt at climbing the value ladder. So if the $200 price point is still a better deal for you, you can try the mid-range to high-range tickets, which range from $50 to $2,000. So, if you want to get sales, don't charge up to $2,000 right away because you don't know enough about your audience and if your product works on a micro or lower ticket level. You have to start small because you want to ensure that whatever you're delivering to the market works. Remember what we said in our previous video about branding your voice when doing PLR products in PLR.me and creating your first lead magnet. Because when you make these other products, you'll realize, oh, this feels and sounds different than what you first put out. That is why you want to make it your own from the start. Of course, you have all the resources you need on that website. But the point is that you can't keep climbing that value ladder and earning hundreds to thousands of dollars per day. If your product stinks, it simply does not work. That's why you have at least a few different kinds of products. If one doesn't work, you will still have the others. If it isn't producing results for other people, you need to take a step back and think about it. Your product does not necessarily have to be a course. You can begin with coaching, where you do one-on-one coaching and have clients and calls, which you can also do. In a sense, you're hitting two birds with one stone by evaluating the market. You are assessing people's problems. You can see if what you're telling them to do is effective, or if they're taking action and following through. You know you have the knowledge and experience to put it into a repeatable process that someone else can do, once you collect the data from being a coach and having all these clients. And it is here that you can create the course in the form of video modules. And once again, Kartra comes in handy. Remember Kartra.com and how we talked about what Kartra can do. Because everything is on Kartra, your email marketing, sales funnels, and creating a course. You can host a course, or a membership on Kartra. You can make a variety of videos there. So that's what's really powerful about the Kartra platform, and it's why we recommend that you use it and earn $100 to $1,000 per day on that platform. We hope it's very helpful and insightful, and that it makes sense of how everything comes together in building the value ladder. That's all for today. Anyway, if you know of any other easy or lazy ways to make money online, tell us in the comments section, and if you loved this video, kindly hit the like, subscribe, and the bell to get notifications on new videos when they are posted. Until next time.